In this video, I'm going to be going through how to factorize and solve the first type of quadratic trinomials. So, you have a quadratic expression when it's just in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So this is an expression. What makes it an equation then is when you see it equal to 0. So as soon as you see it equal to 0, then you need to solve. So the first 3 steps of this method are all to do with factorizing. The last step then is for solving. So let's try the first one here. The first thing we need to do is put the x's in brackets. It's x squared, so there's 2 x's. Then I'll write out the pairs of factors of the number at the side of my page. So it's 18, so I can have 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. Now, I'm looking for the pair of factors that will add up to or subtract to the number with x. So you can see the number with x is minus 3, and to get that, I can use 3 and 6. Now, I need to get minus 3x, so the signs here is essential. It would be minus 6 plus 3, because minus 6 plus 3 would get us minus 3. Also, if I expanded this, plus 3 times minus 6 would get minus 18. Now, that's the factorizing done. But if we need to solve, and it's equal to 0, then we equal the terms to 0. So the x plus 3 in the brackets, just do x plus 3 equal to 0. Bring the 3 across, it'll go to minus, so x equals minus 3. Do the same now with the other one. So we have x minus 6 equal to 0. Bring the 6 across, it'll go to plus, so x is equal to 6. So our two answers are x equals minus 3 and x equals 6. Okay, let's do the same for the next one. So the first step, I'm going to put x's in brackets. Now I'm going to write out the pairs of factors of 24. So 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. Now, I need a pair of factors that would get me plus 5. So I'll go with 3 and 8. Now it has to be plus 5, so that would be plus 8 minus 3. Because 8 minus 3 is positive 5. Also, if you do minus 3 times positive 8, you get minus 24. So that's it factorized. But if it says solve, will equal the terms to 0. So what we have in the brackets, let's equal that to 0. So we have x minus 3 equals 0. Bring the 3 across, x equals 3. Then the other one, x plus 8 equals 0. Bring the 8 across, x equals minus 8. So our two answers are minus 8 and 3. Okay, let's have a look at 2 more. So if you want to pause your video and then give these a go, pause it now. Okay, let's see how you did. So, putting the x in brackets, then writing out the factors of 36 at the side of the page. So 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, and 4 times 9. And also 6 by 6. Okay, so I need to get minus 13, so I could go with 4 and 9. Now it has to be minus 13, so it'll be minus 4, minus 9, because minus 4 minus 9 gets me minus 13. And if I expanded the brackets, minus 4 times minus 9 will get you positive 36. So it's equal to terms 0 now. So x minus 4 equals 0. Bring the minus 4 across, it'll go to positive 4, so x equals 4. X minus 9 equals 0. So that x equals 9. Last one then, so again, put the x in brackets. Let's write out the factors of 22. So 1 times 22, 2 times 11. Okay, so this is an easy enough one. So it's going to be 2 and 11 because I have to get 9. Now it has to be minus 9, so it'll be minus 11 plus 2. Because minus 11 plus 2 gets me minus 9. And if I expand the brackets, 2 times minus 11 will get me minus 22. So let's equal these to 0. So x equals minus 2. And x equals 11. Okay, so any questions, please leave in the comments. Thank you.